Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete hi5 account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open hi5 application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your hi5 account ID and password. After you get logged into your account, you need to tap on three horizontal line on top left corner. Here you tap on settings beside your name. Here you can see the account section. Under account section, you can see the option of cancel account. Tap on it. By cancelling your account, you will lose access to your messages, photos, gold and progress in page. If you are sure you want to delete your account, then you tap on continue cancellation. Here you need to provide reasons for deleting your account. Confirm cancellation. Yes, you tap on confirm. As you can see, I have been directed to the login page of hi5. That means my hi5 account has been deleted. This is how you can delete your hi5 account permanently. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete hi5 account permanently. Thank you.